I was just lagging. Okay,
Action, guys. Action.
Okay, we're back from the second video of this. Well,
yeah,
we really need to finish this game, really.
Fast.
Yeah, really. Come on. We were gonna do this for like whenever we made a 4 Elements Tycoon, and we were exactly gonna do this. We were gonna wait. I was like, I'm getting a lot of cash. I'll be like, so guys, we're back with a lot of cash, but then it failed.
Well,
Can we go on the
I
sides?
just fell down.
Oh, we can't go on the sides.
Oh.
I was gonna be like, God, mod hacker. We were like that. I'm a hacker.
Oh,
David.
you just pushed me off.
You pushed me off. You made me spawn and falling off.
Meet me up.
You made me up,
Believe it. Believe it.
Believer, not believer. I'm
Believer.
lagging.
It's a believer.
I was lagging. It's believer. I'm gonna save here.
I'm gonna say
We're
right
like so.
Oh no, it's not.
The floor's lava. You blew me up. Okay, one at a time.
Okay,
I'm going first. Since I was the last one to die.
Okay, I'm going.
The last one to die.
Okay, do it.
It's about to explode.
Go fast, train.
Go fast. Go fast. Go fast. Explode.
Go fast. Go fast. Go fast.
I thought it explode.
Fast. No, when you die, say. Okay.
I'm lagging.
Get out safe.
I'm
Okay.
lagging. I'm gonna wait for.
I'll wait for you.
I'm still lagging.
I'll wait for you for
Okay,
the
I'm not
other
lagging anymore.
side.
I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, what?
I
That
died.
video's too short. Ugh. I'm getting a louder voice. I'm like improving our channel save. So I'm gonna.
Guys, we're nearly
it's
finished
too
the
fast.
obby, I
You
think.
didn't tell me it was fast. Oh, you died.
Oh,
It
yeah.
was fast. Warning, it's fast. It's fast.
I'm gonna go, show, crow. Someone on pole, show, crow. I just fell down,
I'm
down,
not
down.
even spawning. Jump!
Froster solid on it,
What? It's going backwards now. I'm confused. I'm beyond confused. It's beyond me. I'm confused.
Ooh.
Oh, no. Save.
I fell down
the
the
save. I was lagging. That what saved me. Wait, is this killable? I just want to continue a little bit. So I think we need to finish this right now.
No, this is very
We
hard.
might make a wall. We don't really cut. Come on, just do this.
No cut.
What's
Never
this?
cut.
I got the school badge. Oh, boom. Oh, boom. This is the joy. Boom. This, I'm gonna do this challenge backwards. Okay, do you wanna do no stopping? Keep going. Whoever dies.
This is too hard.
Okay, whatever. I got past this by landing on my second try. I only got. Watch this. You know what? Watch this, man. Watch this. Really? Really? You know what? Watch this. Maybe you just gotta. Hey, Nathan.
What?
Yeah, you. I'm talking about you. I'm gonna cheer. Okay?
Okay. Even I don't know how to chair.
Go, Nathan. Go, Nathan. Go, Nathan. Go, Nathan.
Yes. Now,
Yes!
now what to do?
Now look at me. Yes, I cheered.
Wait.
Your R15 cheering is really hard. Really bad, I guess.
Oh, I fell down.
Oh, I don't even know what's coming up next. Oh, I thought that was going to be so fast. Hatchimals. Download that. It's not a game. I don't want to.
Hatchimals.
Boom, Nathan.
Hatchimal.
Man, I'm on
Hatchimal.
level 48.
Okay. Save.
Okay, 3, 2.
Oh,
One.
also, guys, if you have an account, you
allowed
can
to-
save this. Also, when you leave,
you
you will
can
spawn
save-
to the
you can-
start, but
No,
you have to click load. Yeah, you have to
No,
click
you don't.
load.
It can be anything. You can't be guest anymore.
Yeah.
So why are you saying
So,
that?
guys, if you leave
So
and
this is how you
s-
make an account. Just make up your own password. All you guys going like, oh, you have to fill in your own password. Actually, just. I don't know if you have permission. Are we the highest person in the server? We are.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Level 50, we are the highest. What's that guild?
Who's
Your
the
left.
I'm the top and you're the... Wait.
You're
Yeah.
top. You're board. And then I'm on the second leaderboard.
Yeah, you're going to be in the second league. Because we're the...
That's right. No. Who's taking you home?
Home.
Now, who's on top of the leaderboard?
Yeah, you.
No, I'm not. I'm still on the stage. Hacks, man. I'm joking. It's not hacks. I'm joking. I
Take it out.
This stage easy. Oh, never mind. You have to climb this.
Come on.
Okay, the laggy spin.
Okay, this
So the
is.
next one. Then next.
Oh, sorry.
Stockman, next one.
Baxter Stockman.
Oh my goodness, it's
Beep.
getting harder.
Beep.
Man, I can't get through the Konako steps.
What's Bucanano? Take Bucanano. We're nearly to the bird.
Oh,
Bird.
that's speed. Run.
Angry bird. I hope you. I really want to.
Wait,
go.
can you climb this? Watch this.
I
Climbing.
Hey!
I'm joking. I'm not climbing it. This is hard, right?
Yep.
This is Ninja Warrior.
Ninja.
And I just flew out.
Guys,
right?
soon I need to go for pee.
Go to the toilet. We'll cut.
Yeah, we cut.
Yeah, cut. See you guys when we
That.
yeah, when you see.
Guys,
When you see.
we're recording.
Are we wait? Are we? Yeah, we're on. We're
Okay.
live. We're not live. We done a live.
Yeah.
Where you need a
Okay,
vote.
guys, I just went
And I
for
forgot.
pee, which I already told you.
Well, you guys were like, you didn't go pee. We just cut it.
Yeah.
Done a mob. One guy says how do you get screencast? It's you just gotta download this app on Marbles, and this is only I think available on Samsung. I tried iPad. It says mobiles on iPad. I tried using phone only, and I launched to the next stage. Ha! I'm a hacker.
You can just type.
You flinged me over to.
No.
You made me go back to level owners.
Owners. Who's the top me?
I'm topper.
Okay, wait. Oh no, this is a speed run.
Speed one? Oh, try this. Are you sure it's a speed one?
Yeah, no.
Oh, I touched it. I knew I would.
I remember this obstacle. You just have to jump.
What fling? I could have been a hacker. I
I
keep flinging.
I am the. Oh, I am the. How am I floating?
Stage, mate. You have the dentist face or what? Why do I keep flinging when I spawn?
I don't know. Mama. I just say mama, then
It's
I
like
do.
this is the worst.
Wow,
It's lagging
you don't be
so
angry
much
at
that I'm
me.
not even moving.
You don't be angry at me.
You can
Ooh, stop.
continue.
Why?
Because I said so.
Okay, I'll just say right.
I'm lagging.
I died.
Bats. This is. I don't.
Oh.
It's lagging. This is stupid lagging. Bleep. Okay, I don't know why I'm saying bleep again.
Bleep, say, focus. Now I spawn
I
here.
thought that was the fill-in thing.
Yeah, when you leave, you spawn. It's better you click low.
No!
Okay, I need to save.
No! This time I'm not saving. We could have failed the video after we start.
No, not like
And then we have to cut. And then my mom could have said, we need to stop. And then we have to do it, and then we're up here, and we're like, we had to close it in the next day. So don't save, mate.
Oh, okay.
I'm lagging. I'm lagging so much that I can't even move. Man, I love this game.
You're glitching.
I'm lagging.
Oh,
Glitching
yeah.
means you're out of the game.
Oh.
Go fast! It's not even moving. See what I mean?
Oh, yeah. Just.
I'm lagging now. See, look, I'm lagging. Okay.
Hello, sup.
Oh my goodness! You were holding a star. That's how laggy. Now it's moving. Oh my goodness!
Oh no!
First it wasn't moving. Now it wasn't moving. Oh my goodness! This is outrageous.
So this is
not the worst obby,
obby.
at least. It's not the worst obby. This is not the worst obby. I'm not raging when I was a guest at obby. It's not really raging, but this is the best obby I've ever played.
Metal. Hello. I'm really. Oh, we just need Phil. Then we. What happened to you, sir?
We're only on level 50.
No, we're nearly up to the. If we go there, then.
Oh my goodness! Jump!
We're nearly up to the stage.
I'm lagging. I can't even move.
Wait, what? This is a short obby.
Oh my goodness! This is A lagging Obby. I don't lag in match Obbies. Do I? When I was a guest, I couldn't even lag one bit. Oh my goodness. We have to make a part 4.
Okay, guys. We have to make a fat ball.
This is too much.
Too much.
So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Smash that like button. Hit the bell. Don't forget to
Yep.
I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Oh my god.
Do the jab. This is too long. Bye. Wait.
Not bye. See you guys in the next
Yeah.
part.